Hey everyone, welcome back to JW Tech Bytes, where I'll show you how to use Chat GPT to do amazing things. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert a Word document to a PowerPoint presentation using Chat GPT. Sounds cool, right? Let's get started. First, we need to enter our prompt in Chat GPT. For this example, I'm going to say, the topic is World's Largest National Parks. Create a detailed outline with bullet points based on this topic. ChatGPT will create a detailed outline with bullet points based on the topic and give you the results. Next, I will ask it to convert this to HTML code. Now, we have our HTML code and we need to save it as a file. So scroll up, copy the code, open File Explorer, right-click on an empty space, click More Options, then select New Text Document. Then rename the document to what you'd like. For my case, I'm going to call it PPT. Now, double click on it to open it and press Ctrl V to paste the code we copied from ChatGPT. Then go to File and Save. Back to File, select Save As, then change Save As Type to All Files, then add .html to save this file in the HTML format. This will make our file a web page that we can open with any browser. So let's right-click on our HTML file, press Show More Options and select Open With. Choose another app and scroll down until you see Word. Then open the file as a Word document. Now that we have our file opened in Word, it looks a mess. Don't worry, we're going to fix that easily. We just need to go to File, then Save As. Pick a location where you want to save the file. I'm going to save it on OneDrive so that I can access it from anywhere. Select the file type as Word document and save the file. Now, we have our Word document ready, but we still need to convert it to a PowerPoint presentation. Microsoft 365 has a feature that lets us do that automatically. To use it, open your browser, search for Office 365 and open the first option that says Microsoft 365. If you're logged in, you should see the file that we just saved on our OneDrive. If not, we just need to open it on the desktop and refresh the page or search for it on the browser. Now that we have our file open in Microsoft 365, go to File, then Export, Export to PowerPoint Presentation. You will be given some templates to choose from. We can pick the one that suits our topic or style. I'm going to pick this one that looks cool. Now, Microsoft 365 will prepare our slides for us based on our outline. It will also summarize our content and add some design elements for us. How awesome is that? Once it's done, we can click on Open Presentation. Now, we have our file open in PowerPoint, but it looks like a static presentation. Don't worry, we can make it more dynamic and interactive. We just need to go to the Editing tab and click on Open on Desktop App. This will open our presentation in the full version of PowerPoint, where we can edit and customize it as we like. We can add some animations, transitions, sounds, videos, or anything else that we want to make our presentation more engaging and fun. I will leave a link in the description below on other ways to create PowerPoint slides using ChatGPT. And that's it. We have successfully converted a Word document to a PowerPoint presentation using ChatGPT in less than 4 minutes. How awesome is that? I hope you learned something new and useful from this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more ChatGPT tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you on the next video.